Okay, once you have all the white off, just kind of spray it all off. Sorry, I forget what. And you can see through the little metal things in here and see if you got it all, and they look good. But you can see clear through there. And same thing with this little guy, just spray it all off. And then you put it back together. I almost wonder if I can put that piece down. I guess I can't.
Guys, this is gonna hurt.
So this one goes back in there. Push all the way in. Screw that on tight. I'll screw it on. Make sure your seal's in there. Put those back in. And screw that on tight.
And the boys Ern and Evan might be in the same class.
Oh. And then your filter. Josh so nicely washed it all out. Put that in.
What grade is Tatum going into?
Second grade. Put your lid back on.
Just do it!
Make sure you tighten all these down.
I guess I'll jump like you guys. You're gonna get your dad so bad.
Once everything's tight, you can open these back up.
Jump right here!
If everything's tight and not leaking.
Do it! Nope.
And then once you do that, to get the air out of the system, open this one up. And it'll make sure and get all the air out of everything because that's filling up with water. And then you'll see if you got everything tight enough. Oops. You can also open up this one and it'll get the air out. And once water comes out, then you know that's full. Filling up. There we go. And that's full, so tighten it back up. And you can turn it back on. And everything's working.
What'd you guys do?